Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Jeep Renegade. Stock number is A7650. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls are here. Full stereo, climate control, four-wheel drive controls, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Renegade on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.